In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite a member to a Slack workspace. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open Slack. You can do this by either launching your desktop application, if you have it installed, or by heading to slack.com in your web browser. Just go ahead and get that set up. Once you're at the Slack site, or you launch the app, it's time to log into your account. You can enter your email and password there. Alternatively, if you're signed up using Google or Apple ID, you can log in quickly using those options. All right, now that you're logged in, you'll see a screen displaying all the workspaces you're part of. If you've got multiple workspaces, find the specific workspace where you want to add new members and click on it. This will bring you into the area where you can start inviting people in. As soon as you're in the right workspace, look at the upper left corner of the Slack interface. You should see an option labeled Invite People. Go ahead and click on that. This is where the fun begins. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to enter some information. You'll want to type in the email addresses of the folks you want to invite to the workspace. Make sure you double-check the email addresses for accuracy. The last thing you want is to send an invite to the wrong person. Now that you've entered their email addresses, it's time to consider what role each invitee should have. Slack provides two options, member or guest. Choosing the right role is important to ensure they have the access they need. If they're going to be part of public channels and participate fully, select member. This role gives them full access within the workspace. On the other hand, if you want to restrict their access to specific channels or limit their involvement to particular tasks, choose the guest option. Once you've selected the appropriate roles for everyone you're inviting, it's time to send those invitations out. Look for the Send button in the pop-up and give it a click. This action will trigger Slack to automatically send out emails to all the invitees. They'll receive instructions on how to accept the invite and join your workspace. And just like that, you're done. Your new members will become part of the Slack workspace as soon as they accept the invitation. Keep in mind that it may take a moment for them to receive the email, so be patient. Congratulations! You've learned how to invite a member to your Slack workspace. It's a straightforward process, but it's essential for expanding your team collaboration. If you have any questions about using Slack or need further help, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Slack and other tools effectively.